Here's the 232 converter that I wired up. I did a little lacing over here to the interface. This is the 12 volt supply circuit here. And I use the general purpose outlet up here for my power supply to power this. And then this comes out to my 232 cord here. And also I put in a little LED light stripping. This, I have another supply down here behind this cabinet, and this powers a little LED strip that I put in on the back. So I can see printing, lighted printing. I'll show that at a later clip. Okay.